Okay, well, wood chipping has started. It's just been one of those days. I had a lot of trouble with well, let's just start it off with, I decided I was going to take the blade out of this to sharpen it so it would cut the chips a lot better, which I did, and it definitely wasn't easy. There should be some type of an access hole right here instead of having to reach in through the blades to get to there to put a wrench on it. And I might, if I do this again, I might take my plasma cutter and, well, if I do it again, I might just take my plasma cutter and cut a hole so that I can access the bolts with the wrench right there and access the front of the bolts, because reaching all the way in there wasn't fun. I had my hands stuck in there and everything was just not fun. So I finally got that together. Then I couldn't find the rods, so I had to cut some threaded rod. Luckily I have some of that kicking around here. Then I couldn't get to run, so I had to take the carburetor off it, clean the carburetor all up and put it all back together. So now it runs. But I had hoped I was only going to take about an hour and a half to get it going, and it actually took probably 3 hours or more. I'd say 3 hours to actually get it going. So it's running now, and we were at there for about an hour or so, and the sun's just beating down on us. Been beating down on us all day. But we're picking away at some of these branches, and we'll continue to pick away at tonight, and just go from there. But anyhow, yeah, getting it running was a big part of the process here. So we got it running. It's clogging up a little bit. I have to shovel it out some and throw it in the bin, but it's working, so now it's just a matter of time running it through the chipper. It's a Troy built Tomahawk chipper. Cheers.